Good morning, children. Today we will learn about the last type of transport, that is airways, and I will also attach the question answers and back exercises so that you can learn and write them down in your copies. So children, let us now read about airways. Airways are the quickest means of transport. All the major towns and cities of India are connected through airways. India is also connected to many other countries of the world by air transport. So children, airways, as we all know, are the quickest and the fastest means of transport. So by taking a flight, we can reach our destinations very quickly. Now, all the major and important towns and cities of India have airports, and so all the important cities of India are connected through airways. And also children, India is connected to other countries of the world by air transport. Now, in times of natural disasters such as flood, famine and earthquakes, helicopters and planes are used to provide food packets and medicines in these areas. They are also used to rescue people. So children, what are the advantages of airways? So, whenever any kind of natural disaster hit our country like flood, famine or earthquakes, helicopters and planes are always used to provide food supplies and provide medicine in such areas. And children, sometimes helicopters and planes are also used to rescue people from difficulty. Rescue people means to save people from difficulties. So children, here we have come across a word called famine. So children, famine is a condition in which there is scarcity or there is shortage of food. So famine means when there is shortage of food. So in all these difficult times, in the time of flood, famine, earthquake, always airways are used, air transport is used to rescue people and to provide food supplies also and to provide medicines also. Next, aeroplanes are also used to deliver couriers, newspapers, perishable goods like flowers and fruits to various cities and countries. The development of air transport has boosted trade with other countries of the world. However, it is not possible to transport heavy and bulky goods by air. It is also an expensive means of transport. So children, in this paragraph there are some more advantages of airways or air transport. Like if we have to deliver couriers or newspapers or perishable goods like flowers, fruits, vegetables, etc. In these cases, we always use airways or air transport. Now children, perishable goods means they are those types of goods that get spoilt very easily and quickly. So flowers and fruits, since they get spoiled easily and quickly, that is why airways are used to deliver such things. Now children, the development of airways has also boosted trade with other countries. It means that due to airways, business with other countries of the world has also increased. So children, these were some of the advantages of airways. Now some of the disadvantages of airways is also given in this paragraph. Like heavy and bulky goods cannot be carried by air. So like children, we could easily carry heavy goods through either roadways, railways or waterways, but we cannot carry heavy goods by air. And second, children, airways is very expensive. So traveling through flights is very expensive. So these are the two disadvantages of airways. Now, a number of private airlines operate in India, along with the official airline of our country, Air India. The main airports in India are Indira Gandhi International Airport, New Delhi; Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Mumbai; Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata; and Annadurai International Airport, Chennai. So children, there are many private and government airline in our country. Private airline means it is owned by some people or companies. But government airline is owned and maintained by the government. So Air India is maintained and owned by the government of India. And children, lastly, there are some main airports in India, like one you have in New Delhi, which is known as Indira Gandhi International Airport. Then you have one in Mumbai, which is known as Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. Then one is in Kolkata, which is known as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. And one you have in Chennai, which is Annadurai International Airport. Now children, in Ranchi also we have our own Birsa Munda Airport. So children, with this we have completed chapter number 13, which is transport. Now question answers, like I said, I will attach in the PDF file, so you can write it down in your copies and then you can learn it. So children, in the next class we will start with the next chapter. Till then, thank you and take care of your health.